Report 2030 PNPT Rollover to determine how many participants are eligible to transition. Click on the Reports tab and select Enrollment. Open Report 2030 PNPT Rollover. Filter the report by location and select the appropriate enrollment statuses. Select to only show those that are transitioning and group your data by agency, site, or classroom. If you only want to see how many participants are transitioning, select Summary. When viewing details, use data options to determine how much data to include or exclude from the report. Determine if you want to see the participant's age on the cutoff date or current age. Enter the cutoff age and the date. Press Preview. You're now able to see how many participants are transitioning, and you can use this information to help with recruitment, scheduling transitioning activities, and even to clean up your waitlist. Be on the lookout for the next #CPSmart video.